Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to in this video how to save story effects in Instagram. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Instagram, then go to the story option. Here you select any one effect, then press here big mode. You can see here save effect, press it, then go back, close your Instagram, open again Instagram, again go to the story option, press on search button, then select here saved option. Here you can see all saved effect. So in this way you save story effects in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.